Yo, what is up, guys? So, in this quick and short video, I want to go over the advice that I basically wish I knew when I first got started in this YouTube search-based automation game. Okay, it's been about 5 years since I actually got into this search-based YouTube automation, and it's quite funny because I just came across a YouTube video. It's like a channel that had like 1,000 subscribers. They were talking about this method. I decided to try it, and it's been my main source of income ever since the search-based YouTube automation. So it's kind of funny how that turns out. So the advice I wish I knew before I got started, or when I just got started, because when it was 5 years ago, this was like a brand new thing. There were no courses, there were no gurus about this method, and it was pretty difficult in order to understand everything. So the first thing that the gurus will tell you today is just upload the most amount of videos that you can upload onto your channel. Like if you can do 1,000 videos a month, that'll be great. But they don't go into the fact that they need to be proven keywords that have good search volume and the ability for you as a small channel to be able to rank for that specific keyword. You can't just throw 1,000 videos up in a month and expect to get crazy results. Okay, you need to do your keyword research, and you need to analyze every single keyword that you upload onto your channel in order to make sure that it's a proven topic so you can actually get views. Like if you just upload 300 instead of 1,000, but you've really done the research on these topics, you know that they're A+ keywords, you can actually get better results than another channel that uploaded 1,000+ videos in a certain month. So keyword research is everything. So volume isn't the only thing that counts, and if you can combine those two of doing excellent keyword research with a good amount of volume, like 400 videos per month, then you're just going to skyrocket to millions and millions of views every single month. And then some gurus will tell you nowadays that you need to get like a excellent thumbnail in order for your video to blow up. But when it comes to search-based YouTube automation, you can just basically use a template and edit the template for like 50-30 videos, however much you're actually uploading, and that'll be good. You'll get like a 15, 20, 17% click-through rate, and you'll be good to go. So a lot of channels actually struggle with actually getting to like the million views per month mark, and I can tell you that it's not going to be investing in a course. It's not going to be uploading 50,000 YouTube videos in a year. The thing that's going to get you to 1 million, 2 million, 3 million, 5 million views every single month is your topics. If you can find a gap in the market, it's all about gaps in the market. You want to be finding these untapped keywords that not a lot of channels are actually going after. So that's the main thing that's going to get you to those millions of views per month in this niche that I'm talking about over and over again on my YouTube channel, which is the apps niche, search-based. It can be a website niche, Shopify niche, but the main thing that I focus on is the how-to tutorials in the social media niche. Okay, so that's what's going to get you those millions of views per month in this niche, is the categories or the topics that you actually select for your channel. It's not going to be your thumbnails. Sure, it's just a template that you're using basically, but that's not going to play the biggest role. It's going to be the actual topic. So how do you actually find these untapped keywords? Well, you have to be doing the search bar method, which I just uploaded a video on. If you haven't checked out that video, go ahead and check out that video, and also join my school community where I go over that in even more detail coming up in the future. So keyword research is got to be number one when it comes to your YouTube search-based channel. Okay, if you can outbeat all the other channels with your keyword research, you're going to be miles and miles ahead. And then nowadays there's a lot of gurus, everything YouTube automation this, YouTube automation that, $4,000 courses, $1,000 courses. Okay, if you want to invest in those courses, make sure that you pick a good mentor, because you're actually going to get scammed otherwise. There are a lot of good mentors and there are a lot of bad mentors, okay, in this YouTube automation space. If I knew this sooner, I wouldn't have invested so much in different other courses and so on, trying to learn the ropes. Okay, so you want to be picking someone that you trust. For me, I don't have any courses available. Maybe in the future we'll see. If you want something, I'll drop a comment down below, and I'll just gauge the results. But pick a mentor that you trust, that has the actual results you want to see in your YouTube studio dashboard, and then purchase their course. That's going to give you the fundamentals. That's going to give you everything A to Z in a video course. You can chat to the community and you'll be able to get ahead that way. So that's one way to do it. Invest in a course, or you can do it all on your own with free YouTube videos like I upload onto my channel. Okay, and then one of the other things that plays a good important role in your success on this actual search-based YouTube game is consistency. Sure, when you start out with your brand new channel, you have like 10 subscribers, it's going to be a big effort in order to upload onto that channel. But if you can just stay consistent, upload every single day onto that channel, or every single week onto that channel, eventually you're going to have 100 uploads, then 200, 300, then 1,000 uploads, and then you're going to be monetized. You're going to be making like $1,000, $2,000 per month with your YouTube channel, and then it's going to be an actual success. And then you're going to be much more willing to actually post onto that channel every single day, because you're going to get stacking that portfolio of videos every single week onto your channel, and eventually you could be making $10,000 per month with your search-based channel, $10,000 to $15,000 per month. That's one of the goals that I want to get to, the 15K per month goal with my search-based channels. Okay, so consistency is a massive thing. You have to stay consistent. If you quit, your views are going to go pretty much not to zero, but it's not going to be something worth your time if you actually stop uploading. So those are a few tips I wish I knew when I first got started on YouTube search-based automation. If you have any questions, drop them in the comment section down below. Join my free school community in the description. Join my Telegram in the description. I have a big plan for that, where you can communicate with me and in the school community, and I hope to see you in the next video.